So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. And yes, recently I got a chance to visit the city of Visakhapatnam. It's also called as the city of destiny. The beauty is just serene. I've got some cinematic shots lined up for you, so without further ado, sit back, relax and enjoy the shots.
Driving round with my baby, top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old.
वीडियो देख लिया तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना. आई जस्ट डोंट नो आई डिड दिस. चैनल सब्सक्राइब करके जाना, बेल आइकन दबाना, and please let me know in the comments how did you like it and any suggestions you would like to give me on for a new video. So I would welcome all the suggestions. Thank you so much. You guys are just awesome. Just continue showering your love on me and supporting the channel. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. And let's see, we'll meet in another vlog like this. Let's see. Till then, take care.